Visuals matter, and they especially matter to our kids because school is way too verbal. We talk too much, we don't listen enough, and we need to have more visuals so that our kids see the way it should be, the way it can be, the way it can look. It can start with paint. Just start somewhere. That's what our kids need. Our kids are going to spend 90% of their lives being adults. Doesn't that stink? And so it's like, we got to make sure that we don't take the kid away in school. And it's good for us, too. So when you think about these brainstorms, I said environment. We have something called a culture calendar, which is basically you look at your calendar for the entire year and you decide when you're going to have certain events, what this Monday might look like after a long weekend, what this Friday might look like, what this Wednesday might look like. It's springtime, so what's going to be the springtime event? When are we going to do the teacher talent show where we perform for the kids? When are we going to have the game of Hungry Hungry Hippos that's being played against the 6th grade and the teachers? Right? You haven't lived until you've played that live in the gym. All right? On a roller thing where you're laying down and someone's holding your feet, right? And you're running around with a grande basket trying to catch the balls. And the kids are watching you. And you know, when you go to class the next day, those kids see you in a whole different way. All right? They see you, and that's good. That's good. We don't want them to see us downtown when we're out on Friday night with our buddies, and we don't want to be friends with them on Facebook, okay? But when they see you in a different way, man, it changes things. Be thinking of your pickleball tournaments and anything that you can do that changes the view of our kids so they start to see the adults in a way that makes them want to do different.